We hope we can hear some good news at the earliest.
Definitely today, whatever our efforts we have started, that will give a good indication that we will get something. And by 4:30, Navy people will come with the chopper. They will also mark they also got some points.
Okay.
We have also got some point. But if you look at both the points, they are equal points. You got my point, no?
Yeah.
In the eastern side, it is there. Okay, but I'm 100% sure that this 60 feet boom, we will try to achieve the result. In the meantime, we are making one more step to make down this machine, and from there again it will reach fully operative. Okay, for that one side we are removing the soil also, and after that the machine will go down and it will be
It may touch the river basin.
yes, and tonight also we will work. If it is delay or something happens, tonight also we will not stop. Now we will work 24/7 because we have made the compound wall this side to protect whoever is working in river side. Again, it should not collapse, and again it should not have some other dangerous situation. It should not carry some dangerous situation. For that we are making the guard for that particular land on hill rock, and it is very simple. Logic is simple. If you look at that wire, and if you look at this wire, in between the shop was there. It was confirmed. And if you look at the what the mud has been come down now, that center we are taking as a center point, and we are going 20 meter left hand side and 20 meter right hand side, and we are 100% sure we will give you the result.
We had in the morning we have a meeting.
And
with the
on top of
secretary
that, a Navy will come with the chopper, and drone will also come. Again, water drone it is. Even though it is clay, it will find out. Even though it is mud, it will find out. That already one Mr. Nambiyar, I told you, no, army major, he is already reached in Karwar, I think. He is also coming, visiting the site. And tomorrow, he is sending major, big one, what we call it, your
drone based.
drone, big drone. That also it will reach tomorrow.
Exact mark location.
I am telling you, it is exactly center of where it is, where he is working now. This is a parallel to that pole, to that pole. Okay, this pole. You look at this pole and you look at that pole. We will go 10 meter left hand side, 10 meter right hand side. If we are not getting result, then again we will extend 5 meter that side, 5 meter this side. But we will give you the result.
Once again, Navy's chopper is coming, and what sort of coordinated effort is going to happen?
They have some very crucial points they have found, which is we cannot leak also because it is a confidential report. They will come and they will give the point. And we will not ask what is the methodology and all these things, because it is, you know that, it is national.
Today onwards it will work 24 hours.
Yes. I'm there up to 9:30, 11 o'clock. I will there. You can check.
You will bring something like that.
And we are asking now, if required, we have kept the trailer here only. We will bring one more machine. At any time of this, we will try our level best. We will put our efforts by all department people and all these things. But don't take that, Baba, we are not cooperating and all this. Department people are not cooperating because for us it is a baby. For them, no, it is a daily job. Okay?
Spotted there.
Yeah. We will make the, tomorrow we will bring the drone which will get up to 30 meter depth. And what you want to tell me? And he is from your place only. Okay, and I will see that you will make an interview to him also.
Sir, last 2 hours we are focusing on a single point. What the reason?
No, single point means what you know. See, unless until what we have planned is different, what army has planned different, but somehow both the plans are looking in one side only.
Sir, any new signal get, sir?
Huh?
Any new signal?
No, not required, boss. With this signal only we'll achieve, boss.
Sir, can we say positive?
Yeah, you can say some positive. Okay.
പ്രജീഷ്, വളരെ നിർണായകമായ വിവരമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ MLA പറയുന്നത്. ഈ
Because of you people, the truck is not coming inside.
ഓക്കെ, ഷുവർ.
You allow the truck to work.
ഓക്കെ, വളരെ പ്രതീക്ഷ പറയുന്ന കാര്യം, ഇന്ന് രാത്രിയും ഇത് തുടരാൻ കഴിയും. ഇന്ന് രാത്രിയും ഒരു പക്ഷേ ഇന്ന് രാത്രിയും ഇത് തുടരും എന്ന കാര്യമാണ് പ്രധാനമായും പറയുന്നത്.